My name is Dr. Mike Crovetti, and I'm the creator and founder of Surgical Recovery Suites LLC. Now, this is a new company, but certainly not a new concept. I started the concept more than 10 years ago, and after 2,500 successful outpatient joint replacements in a model where patients have their surgery in a surgery center and then stay with me for 2 days in a 5-star hotel, my hotel, and we take great care of them. We started a company about 4 to 6 months ago called Surgical Recovery Suites LLC. And you might think, why did we start this company? Well, I'm the consummate entrepreneur, I guess, and I've seen such a great opportunity for other surgeons and other folks to create the same model in their communities. Several months ago, I did a small focus group with orthopedic surgeons. There was a urologist and several other surgeons present. And I asked them a question. I said, what makes you happy in your practice? What makes you love what you do? Well, there was a big pause. I asked them for 3 things. And I don't think we were able to come up with 3 great things in our practice. Reimbursement certainly falling. Staffing is getting more difficult due to reimbursement falling. Working with the payers is becoming more difficult. Collections and benefits have always been more difficult. However, we came down to one thing that we all love, and that's taking care of our patients. Good outcomes. Taking somebody who can't walk and helping them walk. So it all came down to outcomes and how great our patients do that make us happy. Therefore, I talked to some other friends. I'm looking for an advisory board, maybe to start a company. Well, recently I had the opportunity to have a meeting in the south of France. And overlooking the water one morning, I'm sitting at this meeting with 2 CEOs from billionaire companies that are extremely successful, and probably one of the top motivational speakers in the world. What chance did I have? At that point, I had no chance but to start this company, Surgical Recovery Suites LLC. It will help surgeons all over the world, and certainly here domestically, start new companies and get the love of medicine back in their houses. Taking care of patients, be number 1, providing them a most incredible experience, number 2. But the back end of business may be our biggest asset. Creating a business around something that you already love to do with reimbursement increased, staffing, it's amazing, and most importantly, people that you love taking care of. All these years, now we're going to do it. So welcome to Surgical Recovery Suites LLC, and we look forward to helping you have a great life like us.